Hi friends, welcome back to GodOfGizmos. My name is Satish Kumar Purswani. Today I am going to review Vimble 2. Before we start, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Vimble 2 is actually 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal for smartphone. It is basically used to capture the videos in stabilized mode. This is provided to me by Asha Salaskar for reviewing purpose. I will be giving you details about the Vimble 2 as we move according to the video. This is actually made in China, and on the bottom side of the box you will find the barcode that you can scan and connect to the app directly of this Vimble. Gimbal is brought to you by Skinny Riders on our channel. You can check out his biking videos on YouTube. His name is Skinny Rider. There is nothing in the box that needs to be shown. You can check out the box when you buy this Vimble 2 by using the links in the description below. I will directly move on to the actual box in which this Vimble 2 comes in, which is a case provided by Vimble. Casing is made up of fiber plastic, somewhat hard material, somewhat soft material, and the casing is very good. You can carry Vimble 2 very easily in this case. There is a handle given in this case. Gimbal is not more than 500 grams, so it is very easy to carry. I will just unwrap this chain from this box. As I open the chain, Vimble 2 is kept in very front. And there is this chain on the upper hand side. I will just open this chain to show you the documents it contains in this chain, and number of cables are provided inside this chain. So this cable is basically used to charge your phone when connected to Vimble 2. That's what Asha has told me, but I haven't used this, but I will surely try this and try to connect the phone and this charging cable as well. Okay, I will keep this cable aside and we will move towards other documentation. These are some other documentation. I will keep this aside as well. I can see the warranty card in this package. I will keep the warranty card aside. So there's a barcode, scan code and help guide as well inside this. I will keep that aside. And this is the charging cable provided inside the box to charge your gimbal. So there is no charger provided, I think. You can use this barcode and directly report if you face any problem with this Vimble 2. I think you can use 2.0 milliampere power adapter to charge this Vimble 2, as that is being used nowadays, but nothing is specified as such for charging purpose. So this box contains tripod on which you can mount your Vimble 2 and start shooting. So this tripod costs around 800. If you lose this tripod, you will have to pay 800 to get this tripod, plus this tripod stand. You can attach this tripod to your Vimble and make your Vimble stand without any support. It seems to be built of very good quality material, and the handles are very easy to open and close, and I don't think this will cause any issue while you are keeping tripod or while you are keeping Vimble on this. But I would suggest to be more careful while you are handling your Vimble. I will keep this tripod aside and move on to the main important part, that is Vimble 2. Now let's move on to Vimble 2. I will just unwrap this Velcro. This is nicely Velcro given to keep your Vimble 2 very safe. So in Vimble 2 there are three motors provided. First for the handle, second on the left top side, and third on the top. So here is where you can connect your tripod stand on Vimble 2. I will show you how to connect this tripod stand on this Vimble 2. So you will have to screw this tripod stand on this Vimble 2 and you can directly keep your Vimble directly on it. You can use it as extended hand if you want. I will just remove this tripod from Vimble and I will go and show you about what's there in Vimble. So this is the charging port that you will be using, USB port, which is given on the Vimble. So on the back side there's a button. Okay, on the front side there are three buttons. The top one is for joystick, the second one is for connecting or switching on your Vimble. So if you will keep on pressing that button, it will switch on your Vimble too. And the third button is for clicking photos and videos. You will have to connect to app if you are using that button. On the right hand side there is a button to zoom in, zoom out. It will only function if you are connected to the app of this device. The app name is VCool, that is VICOOL cool app. I'm not going to showcase that app in this video. If you're watching the video for that app, please skip this video. I might do the review of the app in another video. In this video I'm just going to do the review of hardware. When you will switch on this device, make sure that you are not holding any of the motors. These are the motors I'm talking about. One is this motor, another one is this motor, and the third one is this motor. This Vimble can go up to 320 degrees. Here is you can attach your phone. It is quite tricky to attach your phone to this device, but once you learn how to attach your phone to this device, you will be very happy with the results. You can attach the device in landscape mode as well as in portrait mode, depending upon your requirement. And this is a USB port given on motor 3, which you can use to charge your phone while connected to Vimble. So I will just open this port. This port is covered with a rubber thing, but I would suggest not to open and close this port again and again. I feel the rubber is very easily removable and I think it will be removed in some instance of use. I will show you how to connect your phone to this Vimble. So see, this is not getting straight. So I will adjust this scale so it should be straight. According to the weight of your phone, you will have to push your phone in and out, and you will have to push that scale in and out. I will just do it for you. This is quite tricky, but once you have achieved this, I bet you will get a very good quality of video. As you can see, I have achieved that my phone is being straight on this Vimble 2. And you can see I will just switch on this Vimble 2 and you can see my phone is kept straight. As you can see, blue light has glown and Vimble 2 is switched on, and the blue light on the Vimble 2 is blinking. that means Vimble 2 is switched on, and as you can see, my camera on the phone is panning in the direction which is set. I would recommend not to use your hand while adjusting Gimbal 2. Use the joystick provided. So using Gimbal 2, you can adjust your smartphone's angle accordingly. I will just switch on the camera to show you some of the angles. So this is the angle, the default angle I have set using the joystick. And this is the front camera. As you can see, the camera is automatically pointing towards me. I can do the adjustment using joystick. As you can see, I am moving the gimbal, but still the camera is pointing towards me. You can handle that below button, and holding that below button will keep your camera at particular angle which you are setting, and when you are holding that button, the light will glow up directly. As you can see, the light is glowing. Once you leave that button, the light will go back to blinking, blue light. Remember, blue light will keep on blinking. See, I am holding the button, it is glowing, and the angle of the camera is set. Now we'll directly show you how the video comes of this Vimble 2. I will just mute this audio and original audio will play.
1 2 3 चल ठीक है अभी ऐसे आप
कैमरा में नहीं आएगा अपने वो वाला.
If you'd like this video, do give a thumbs up to my video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. This Vimble is provided to me by Skinny Rider. You can visit his channel on YouTube. There it is. He is the hero. He is the one I'm talking about.
Okay.
Asha Salaskar.
चलो. So basically we are friends since 2012. We were working together. ये भी मैं तेरे चैनल पे भी मैं ही बोलूँ, मेरे चैनल पे भी मैं ही बोलूँ.
एक ही बात है.
तेरे चैनल पे भी मैं ही बोलूँ क्या?
एक ही बात है भाई. तू बोल ले.
Okay, so we were working together in Sindel since 2012 to 2014, and after that we parted. He went for some other project
company, yeah.
And I moved to some another company. और अभी बहुत टाइम के बाद हम लोग वापस से मिले. मैंने एक गिम्बल खरीदा. So if you are interested in moto vlogging or anything related to travel vlogs, you can visit my channel on Skinny Rider.
Skinny Riders. Do remember this. Skinny Riders. And do subscribe to my channel.
My channel.
Both channels.
Both channel. चलो bye.
Thank you. Bye.